the Bokrata and Wabedri, the Chronicle of Bokrata and Defrasia, the big one. Or sit all collapsing under heavy debt. Grata Faria Tosum Yes and Nine, a honor and some hour. Now the Chronicle of Bokrata in review more my yet say. Tell my oil refinery. You turn it as a torno. A cow one more dear Nanchebegu.
Hey.
Tell my oil refinery and Chebegu. Yamako, the Chronicle neck.
And Chatabegu.
And chat, tell my oil refinery begu. One with the social a senator for car. And also cried and China, Ghana Water Company for Muduamoka. Tossad Electricity Company of Ghana car. Now Chronicle says, and I watch your chair, me cran, Ghana Water Company for one more water supply. A cotton. As a tough one issue. And to walk quite Juma. Nasa be uko yusu washroom and show you Nadia flash. I don't on this particular issue I will come once me yankwa homanson kwatwetwe nkomo. The National Chairman General Transport Petroleum and Chemical Union Openi Bernardo Wusu ya ne ntwetwe nkomo. Mr. Wusu oti yanka asomdwe nka ho.
Me nyame asomdwe nka ho. Yo. Ene adwumaden a Oyama on my channel.
Mr. Wusu, me bacho, the mini abai edi 2 day no cressa.
Bacho no create na even there on my channel is under reported.
Hey, Mr. Wusu painted a real picture tray e what all.
Minya my me encha what here for VPM na mincha Ghana for Temawere friend as a menu yakase company no esim chase. DNT na me can say. A company no for some time now. A crude oil I was a refinery no enya na war refine na yenya bi na yede eton na bia mfa so baso ema a friend company no bibisa anyhow. Company no edika Smith yentimintua water bill yentimintua electricity yentimintua meanwhile obeji edi say obi akọ retirement retirement awakọ no ni sika wa say yede ma no na eja odi kofie na eja kopẹ ni ku bi edi no yentua yenkofo yika enoma bebre na ekoso so obeka ya adwumayefo no I try say omo beye dede omaya press conferences maybe kwa omone sector minister napo akoshia ya omo na atwetwe nkomo omaya road map say omo pese company no esan ba ne na so but besine nimia bibia enkoso enti akoye akeke akoye friend say amemfi ama workers no but mean you adwuma to set Tamale refinery ensure a very essential for the refinery operation this year is to be ekoba to be ato na was say yedum na ehim fa ne ekofa ensure free the enka ye kura ana say adwuma refo no senye edia odo a omuwoma oman no ana odo bi do omuwa enka adwuma refo no kan so omukọ adwuma
wow.
Because yes, in your since you need refinery, how do you work?
Me bacho me bao. This particular issue I come one semi. I existed there how many years in it?
Oh, I met my 4-5 years ago. It has been off and on. Now Makofa crude in the Kakraba, normal refinery for a certain period. Now Akate, it has been off and on. Okay, I'm ready. What you just crab a car say refinery no or more person or the tank farm. Yeah, na engine, but that is what I'm thinking. That is what they want the refinery to look like.
Me tank farm no matter but this issue is as a result of what? Is it bad leadership and assessing?
Bad leadership is one, and I may say as it's bad leadership. I would say it's bad leadership. Yes.
Why not your current tour boss?
He's called Mr. Francis. Francis Beckle something.
And Obato, how many years in it?
Obato, no time 1.5 years.
And before then, now why not never?
Before then, I as a cosec.
And Mr. Osei were no issues we were.
Yes, the issues were persistent. No.
And steps about no take his or best solve these issues.
I mean, because when to solve the issues, and I believe that or my penina dream or the permanent.
Now, currently, see you are Wabano or two and a Mombia Famo.
See you no. To no, what the Nekasa or not familiar, but not familiar no is not enough, and the result is not coming. So,
Mosheto issue, yeah. What you say? Calculated by some people, some good to Anna.
Mini I heard you for the Yadri Musane, Yehunu say, if you know Macomucha Bumi say, yen cripple the refinery, no. You use the refinery as a tank farm. Na yen find ye business.
Me but your tank farm near the other.
Tank farm is over for finished product. Instead of so copper crude oil. I don't know. Oba you better refine you benya diesel, you benya petrol, you benya gas, midi jawu mono. Oba kofa petrol nkwa, any diesel nkwa, I don't know. Ya no already. Now they about be good tank now our supply. Instead of so be use the refinery, no. They are refining crude and your product out of it.
Oh, and Tisenka, we are crude, the Bebania refining or Yeman near to me and your diesel, any petrol, your supply, no.
Yeah.
Rather, you have see a done in a tank farm. Now you got Tomum near best store near supply.
Them patches are pepper.
Wow. And unions and other Martina and Yama ways are.
Oh, Minia unions, no. Yeah, the bit me I because maybe so kaya do my phone cry lock a board no I will them a catcher almost say and no maybe our more year and so mine no mind we are they will not allow them to come out. The workers have done their bit is on my education I make sure say even the Minister of Energy Kraho and then no crack or kitchen come or also essay or you're not familiar but we are not seeing the results. Edutina Ama a friend say, Minino can say every next week airport. There are series of actions that the national union and the local union is going to do. And you know, I'm ready to say, I bet on Safra Moon and Central for Munina Momra, near the Nina to Ghana for year when the air now on my peninsula, Ediana, your man a proper briefing, also and your coso. Jama oil refinery is dying. As I speak to you now, the company is on its knees.
Me bacho sir, and you're my way na you bet me this car at your same manaye.
Oh, and ya Sika Bibiana Sika.
Yeah.
The oil refinery is the problem. A lot of Sika, I was a buying no, and investing over the refinery, Lumina, Emma refinery, no, very productive. But it looks like the government of the day now, and I say, are buying successive government, you know, or mobile, they are not doing it. What can I say now? You toll recovery levy. Sikabia, you try. First, you can't no. You found mother refinery. Baby, I scan coin. You need baby, I scan coin. I don't know, say, yeah, where, baby, yeah. Say, scan coin, yeah.
Mr. Wusu, currently, what shall Sikabaya Henry be here to solve the challenges of toll?
Linia, I cannot pinpoint a figure. I have to go back and consult my people to find out exactly, but I don't have that information.
Does it mean
what I know? I know is there is a need for the government to invest money into the refinery operations.
Does it mean as it stands now, no moon to mean refining any crude oil?
Oh, not that the refinery cannot refine. It's just that they are not bringing in the crude for the refinery to refine. That is all. Why?
I didn't know for crude the number for the refinery.
Wait to have the PRO of Tor and the MD of Tor. I'll find out from them. Say, they didn't see the refinery. No, already now the refinery has a contract with it. Wilfield Ghana Wilfield. No more supply crude oil, but they've cancelled the contract. And as we speak now, so there is no replacement for that friend's arrangement. And we are asking questions, but we are not getting answers.
And the workers in Mokwa Jumadi and Amoye.
I mean, now, say, once the American say, tank farm, no, and the finished product, no, they sell the finished product to the the oil marketing companies. But the refinery as a component of the way, they are not refining. The CDU, the RFCC, and whatever, all those plants are not working.
Mr. Wusu, you may follow more series of action next week. Why? Ni asin acheche Hong Kong asum drink come on pay.
Menya nyame asum drink ka ne wakukudra also oye ewo radio so. Right.
Yeah, that's a bit brave. For the national chairman, General Transport Petroleum and Chemical Union, our tour, Bernardo Wusuni attaining Kano, I join into us and I turn some no. Yeah, did on common. Yeah,
the Chronicle Corner once, Ababa Baku, Letitia, Penaman, Kodai was school. By from ABC, SHS,
very beautiful girl. Very beautiful girl.
Be Bassay. I could have free more. I can't want some more free side than the Beperman.
Not so on color brim pa.
Nah, maybe crab no more. Yes, maybe I never told no crowd. You my bedding. Yam for bedding. Obi Pawaya one was a day yakano. 18 and I want you my bedding. And then I made you job. Nah. I could down for you that chronicle anymore. Now, ne mamma, Nini and I'm a shady video. Now, near Baba cook cassette, I could down the moon on the pony. It's a munya so good miracle for munya so. What you say? I cry, Obisan and what come for. Dr. Tremua, overrun when they be our Jan and I go home. Yeah, you want send Shani a tresse and pa. As I say, or hanging on pressure. Okay. Sanya mani nyina bi eni ni pedua honti no omuntu bi nkasa akora na ahye ne ho akonfo mo busia ndo mugidi se obi na adi akora no wawu ena owie di ahoma kyekere no a wode no ekosen honti di abusia no eka enie Daily Graphic do bokrata ana wa ha na we ye drone shot
yasemo
I wish somebody inform me engaged in galamsey ebe hwesa drone shot and a program so mahunu
ajo omwa galamsey no omwa na ye
so graphic
omwa na ye galamsey no omwa
etino
mama man yo be bia ni ada hododo omwa body be from Daily Graphic no
etino I say galamsey wreaks havoc say wo hwesa de drone shot Daily Graphic animu ha ayo wo 5 for da woroma odini nyina begue page na wahwe begu wompo dada kokoshe na wo hwesa de galamsey sensor say what you say green environment sasini nyina you very green but say baby I say vita na de demo no ase tea no ensuo no eti asase no matuo ena ensuo abetemu na on say galamsey na no soja ni video bi trend say we are host in year 2 or more the twins no more the release but there are other communities in Swa or more ankasa 2 amana donko ti samna donko no obu police you no more the huruya no more release waste water no na kwatai samna nim etu mining communities no bebre no say bia wo free I am free na ko wase kropon wa wo hwe kwan no wo du samna and the whole and no more na etu samna no mo jansuo na gu no mo de horo etino so mo person be release agu esutiri ni mu a na so mo jai na se no so na very very risky etino na mpedifo ka se sensor say etu so wonya Daily Graphic edi mu abehu ni se Sadi ensas ye no COVID-19 empane de to so mienu afrase no na mpanimfo say second COVID-19 jabs begins 13,682 vaccinated. So for next and run to Medica. One panny and a party. I told you 2 more with you. Missy never want me dear. Because you were the other way.
Many man about.
Because an enechina, yeah. It's leaders of one and down as of one.
Yeah, but one in there. Yes, yes.
81 some no.
I got young fancy.